Hello everyone, in today's video let's solve a quadratic word problem on age, and friends, we'll solve it in a very easy stepwise manner. So let's start. Here is the question, and friends, the very first step is to read the question at least 2 to 3 times so that you understand what is given and what is asked. If Rita were younger by 5 years than what she really is, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. What is her age now? So friends, we have read it once. I want you to pause the video and read it again. So now that we have read the question at least 2 times, the second step is to decide what is the unknown variable x that we should take. So here friends, they are asking the present age of Rita. So that should be the value of x. So let x be Rita's present age. Present means the current age. Okay, so this is the second step. Now the next step is to convert these English sentences into maths equation. So shall we do that? Now if Rita were younger by 5 years than what she really is, so what is her age really now? It is x years. So she is 5 years younger than what she really is. That means, should it be x minus 5 or 5 minus x, friends? Can you guess? Yes, it should be x minus 5 because Rita is 5 years younger than what she really is. So it should be x minus 5. Then the square of her age. So which age are they talking about, friends? It is this age, not this one. So x minus 5, the whole square. The square of her age would have been means you need to put an equal to sign. 11 more than. 11 more than means plus 5 times her actual age. Now what is her actual age? It's x. 5 times means 5 multiplied by x. And that's it, friends. We have converted the English sentences into a maths equation. Now the next step is to simplify this equation, friends. As you can see, this is of the form a minus b the whole square. So let's apply the formula. Can you guess what is it? A square plus b square minus 2ab. That's right. So x square plus 25 minus 10x equal to 11 plus 5x. Let's bring all the terms to the other side. So we'll get like this. Minus 11 minus 5x. Now let's club all the like terms. These are the like terms. So we'll get x square minus 15x plus 14 equal to 0. What have we got? We have got a quadratic equation because the highest power or the degree of the equation is 2, friends. So this is a quadratic equation. All we need to do is solve it. So either you can use the discriminant method or you can split the middle term. Now it is easier here to split the middle term. So shall we do that? For that, I need to take the coefficient of the x square term, which is 1, and multiply it with the constant term, which is 14. So 14 is the number whose factors I have to find, friends, such that when I add those factors, I should get minus 15. Okay, so let's take one step at a time. Let's first find all the factors of 14. Yes, so I know definitely that 14s are 14. So 1 and 14 are the factors. Then 2 7s are also 14. Yes, and you can check after this, friends, you won't get any more factors. So these are the factors of 14. Now let's see which combination will give us minus 15. See, 1 and 14 when I add, I will definitely get 15, but I'll get plus 15, but I want minus. So how do I get that minus sign? Yes, I need to just put minus 1 and minus 14. Then I will get minus 1 minus 14, which is minus 15. And you will also see that when I multiply these two, I will get plus 14. And that's great, friends. So let's straight away use these two factors and put it over here. Let's split the middle term. I will say x square minus x minus 14x plus 14 equal to 0. That's all. Just factorizing everything over here. So I'll get x minus 1 into x minus 14 equal to 0, which means x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 14. Now because it's a quadratic equation, we have got two values of x, friends, but we are going to straight away reject x is equal to 1. Can you guess why? Well, that's because in the question it's written if Rita were younger by 5 years. So if I take Rita's age to be 1 and then if I subtract 5 from it, what will I get? I'll get minus 4. But can age be negative? Definitely not. And that's why we reject x is equal to 1. And therefore, what is remaining? X is equal to 14, which means Rita's present age is 14 years, friends. Let's put the appropriate units everywhere, and that's the answer. So friends, I hope you understood how to tackle quadratic word problems based on age. If you have any other doubts in any topic, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, please do like and share the video. Please leave your comments in the comment section below and do consider subscribing to enjoy math. So till we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye.